Marry the house and date the rate. A lot of people made fun of you when you did that and you said that. Well, now with rates hitting where they're hitting now, might be the time where you marry that rate as well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you where mortgage rates are, where they're going, and the whys behind it. Because if you're watching this video, most likely you're looking to buy or you're a homeowner. I'm also going to give you tools to help you navigate how to get pre-approved and how do you monitor rates if you're looking for a refinance. Well, let's get over to today's news to figure out what's going on behind the scenes and the whys that's going to go on with these things. So what we had today is the overall markets across the board didn't do too bad. We had the NASDAQ hitting maybe another record high. Dow Jones gave a little bit back. We did have oil dropping down. This is going to help on the inflation front. But we also had some news from the Federal Reserve. What happened today was they came out and they gave us it's called their beige book. What their beige book is basically they provide us the notes behind the scenes and what they talked about. So what they talked about was there's inflation and tariffs are going to be inflationary. A lot of companies have increased their prices already. Some companies haven't. So they're saying, well, the it's going to go up. They don't really know how much. Same thing with the unemployment numbers or the employment numbers. They don't really know where the numbers are. With the immigration situation as it is, the government shutdowns. So where do we go from here? What do you have to look forward to? So let's get over to see where mortgage rates are, or at least the mortgage bond market, to give us some direction on where mortgage rates are going to go and the whys behind it. So here's what we want to look at today. This is a bond that trades on Wall Street. This is called the mortgage-backed security bond. So what we follow this is each day what the price is doing. So all you have to understand, if the price is going up, that's good news. That means mortgage rates are going to come down. There's an inverse relationship. So if prices are going down, the rates are going to go up. So today we've had a nice little pattern. Rates went down right through here, but I don't really think they're going to go much further. And I've been saying that for the last few days, but let me tell you why. The Federal Reserve's in a tough spot because they have all these dilemmas to mess with, but they also have this to contend with. So they're in the dilemma of this. They're like, well, they can't really cut rates too much, but they have to save the economy because the economy is starting to falter. They're looking at the employment numbers, and that's their biggest focus right now. And they even told us that at the last meeting. And then they also have to contend with this. Okay, but they did come out yesterday with some good news saying they're going to stop quantitative tightening. If you want to check out how that works, check out yesterday's video right through here. But this is the sticky situation. And then we also have a government shutdown. So my thoughts are, mortgage rates the bond markets, they're hitting their lows right through here. There's really no catalyst. There's still no catalyst to get us down below the 4% trigger when it comes to the 10-year Treasury. So we're going to monitor this meticulously. But if you're out there, if you're a homeowner or home buyer, let me give you some ideas on what you could do to help navigate your situation. So if you're a home owner, why don't you reach out to us? We'd love to schedule a consultation with us. You can go to therateupdate.com and do just that, or you can even put in your application, and we can consult with you and go over all the options that you have and what's maybe your best option if you're looking to buy your first house or even maybe that first investment property. If you're a home owner, we got a better tool for you. How about if we could track the rates for you? Yeah, you're at a 7.5 rate and you're like, Dan, when they hit 6, let me know. Here's what I want from you. I want to know what the payment's going to be, what my savings is going to be, and especially what the cost is going to be. Then I can make my decision if I want to move on or not. So fill out the RateWatch tool, and if when I reach you, the numbers really don't work, we can lower the number in there and get in touch with you at that time. But we don't sell the data. I'm the one that monitors this personally. So don't be surprised one day I reach out to you and say, hey, your RateWatch just triggered. Let's go over the numbers and maybe we can lock you in and get the paperwork started. So if you want to learn more about mortgage rates, why they change on a daily basis, and a little bit more about how mortgage rates work and how you can get pre-approved or put on our RateWatch tool, watch me each day. Subscribe down over there below. We're trying to hit 40,000 subscribers. If you can help me get there, I'd appreciate it. Other than that, I'll be back tomorrow morning to hopefully explain to you guys what's going on with these and the whys behind it. So thanks for watching. God bless. Have a fantastic evening. Can't wait to see you back here tomorrow morning. Take care. Bye-bye.